In this class, we'll be discussing about scientific notation. In chemistry or physics, generally, Avogadro's number is represented by scientific notation only. That is 6.022 into 10 power 23. So we cannot express this Avogadro's number in a normal way. So that is why we need to know something about Avogadro's number, scientific notation. So let us go in detail how to deal with this scientific notation, how to convert into scientific notation, the normal representation into scientific notation, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply and divide. So we will be discussing all these things in this class. Scientific notation. So 2.325, 222.508 can be represented as 2.32508 into, so I have taken here 2 digits, so I can put 10 power 2. So this is the way we write the scientific notation. For instance, let us consider 000016. So what you need to do, you take only single digit and from here you have to divide. So you have to isolate this one. So 1.6. So you can write this as 1.6 into 10 power. When you go towards left, you have to put negative sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have taken 4 digits. So I can put minus 4. Suppose if it is 5372. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? We can take single digit like this and just count how many digits after that. 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits on the right side. So how we can go about 5.372 into 10 power 3. So when you go towards right, you can put positive digits as the 10th power. When you go towards left for taking single digit after the decimal like this, then you have to put minus 4. Do you understand this? Right. Now, how to multiply the scientific notations? Let us consider this. 5.6 into 10 power 5 and 6.9 into 10 power 8. You can take these two values together. So, you know from the basic algebra, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Therefore, you can put like this, 10 power 5 into 10 power 8, that is equal to 10 power 13. So you have 10 power 13 and ultimately you can multiply this. Then 5.6 into 6.9 gives a 38.64. Once again you have to take a single digit on the left side. So 38.64 into 10 power 13. Now split this. So you have one digit only, but you have a decimal here. So you can take one digit on the right side. So you can add one more 10 power 1. Is it not? So 10 power 1. Therefore 3.864 into 10 power 13 plus 1, that is 14. So this is the way you have to multiply. And you can try out this one also. Suppose 9.8. So 10 power minus 2 and here 10 power minus 6. So the same strategy is adopted. Now how we can go about 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 6. So 10 power minus 8, is it not? And then after multiplying the decimal, so what you can do, you will get this 24.5. So 24.5, and once again you have to split it, then take one digit and therefore 10 power 1. Then 2.450 into 10 power 1. You have already 10 power minus 8. Therefore, it becomes 2.45 into 10 power minus 7. Okay. So, in this problem, 2.7 divided by 5.5. So you can take 2.7 divided by 5.5 separately, and 10 power minus 4 can become 10 power minus 4 when you bring it to the numerator. So 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 4. Now what you are supposed to do? 2.7 divided by 5.5. So you try to get this value and then put 10 power minus 7. So if you get point, then once again you have to convert this into scientific notation. So can you get me the answer of this one? Try. And now for addition and subtraction, so you must always maintain the same power. So that must be same, equal. And if it is 3 into 3, 30 into 10 cube, add 4 into 10 power 4 means you cannot straight away add. Make sure the powers are same. So what you have to do? 3 into, convert this 3 into 10 power 4 and 4 into 10 power 4. Then 10 power 4 being common, so you can write this in this way. That is 2 into 10 power 4, that is 3 into 10 power 4 plus 4 into 10 power 4. So 10 power 4, 10 power 4 being common, that can be taken outside the bracket. Then you have 3 plus 4. Okay, I hope now in order to take the GCD you have to maintain the 10 power similar term, equal term. Therefore you can simply write 7 into 10 power 4. Clear? And multiplication, as we already mentioned, product of powers. And then division, the same thing, but if it is a minus means, division means, you know the formula, 10 power a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So you have to adopt that formula. So you have to subtract. And then let us look into this sum. Here 5.6 into 10 power 9 plus 2.1 into 10 power 8. What I have suggested already, make sure these two terms are equal, the power terms. So the best thing is, this is 10 power 8, this is 10 power 9. So we can convert both as 10 power 9. That is the best way. So we have 5.67 into 10 power 9 plus, now we need to convert this into 10 power 9. So what we can do, one step you can go to the left. So make it 0.21 into 10 power 9. Are you able to follow? Because 2.1 can be written as 0.21 into 10, and therefore 10 power 1 into 10 power 8, 10 power 9. So that is the conversion. Now 10 power 9 being common, you can take GCD. So 10 power 9. Now 5.6 plus 0.21. Now you'll get 8, 8, and then 5 into 10 power 9. So that is the easiest way you can get. Okay, so the same thing can be applied in the case of minus also, subtraction also. Okay, let us consider another example. Add 3 into 10 power minus 3, 2 into 10 power minus 2. How we can go? So we need to make it to the same 10 power. So you can put 3 into 10 power minus 3 can be written as 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2. So let us take the GCD. I'm sorry, this is 10 power minus 2. Okay, so 10 power minus 2 being common. Now 3 into, we can take outside bracket, 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 2. So 3 into 10 power minus 2 is nothing but 0.3 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore 2.3 into 10 power minus 2. So in scientific calculation, you will come across variety of numbers like this. Okay. So let me give you one simple problem. Try to work out and send your answer. 6.022 into 10 power 23 plus 1.6 into 10 power 20 divided by 4.2 into 10 power minus 1 minus 550. Okay, so this is the problem. Try to work out and get me the answer. So you can send your answer to this comment area. Okay.